Guys, in this video you are going to learn about this dentist go high level snapshot, which is a done for you template. You have all the website with it, all the funnels with it, all the automation with it, so that like you can run your entire dentist business or your client's dentist business. And I'm going to walk you through, and the best part is you are going to get it without paying anything, and you would know how to get it. So please watch the video completely till the end. Normally you would have to pay thousands of dollars in order to get the exclusive snapshot, but here for zero money you can get it. So please watch the video. Let me just quickly show you how does it run the dentist business, and then even show you the individual aspect, the insider things, what is available with it. For example, this is a website, and I'm going to show you how it is going to run your dentist business. And within the funnel, like if I click onto the funnel, it has so many funnels, right? And I'm going to show you the funnels as well individually. And then for the automation part, there you go. So you have all the automations in the world, and I'm going to show you this one is like the inbound, the DMs coming through the Instagram and stuff, and how does the appointment booking process happen, the email send, the notification send automatically, cancellation, lead nurturing, some offer going on, free teeth whitening, no show, opt out, everything is available there. So let us just quickly jump on to, let's say you have incorporated this website. I mean, I'll come to the funnel later on. So here is your website. This is a 3-page website. All you have to do is just open the editor window and just put your client's logo or your logo and some of the detail that you want to edit. Let me just open it. So there you go. Like you will just edit your logo, right? And you want to edit some of the text. Our dental service, like what all do you offer in the respective, like these are the general things that is being offered. So you can let it remain as it is, and just the description, you can remove the description. And our goal is to make the this and that and average areas of dentistry, highly qualified dentists, all these information, like either you can just remove it, or it's better that if you have the information available, these photographs and stuff, you just upload it based on, I mean, replace it based on the existing client that you're trying to serve, as well as like this is the details, like this office hours, phone number, the address, email address. Of course, like it is going to be company specific, and that's it. Like this is a make appointment page. The moment somebody lands up, click on make appointment, and it is going to open the calendar. As you can see, this is the calendar. This is the appointment page. By the way, the calendar is not selected right now. You will just have to click and select the calendar. The reason it is not selected, because you have your own timing, right? So how do you update the timing? Like let me just quickly show you the calendar setting. The calendar is already available. I mean, just click on calendar settings. So in this snapshot, you even have the calendar. There you have the calendar. Let's say you have to just click on edit and change the availability timing. I mean, this is the basic calendar. Let's say 1 a.m. to 4 p.m. Let's say in your case, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., right? Or whatever, like at this hour, and then the break hours you define. So based on that, after that, you just select the calendar, and that's it. Like your website is actually ready. Right now, at this point of time, let's say, I mean, of course, like there is a third page as well, which is the thank you page. And I'm going to show you how the workflow happens. Like somebody clicks on make appointment and chooses from the appointment the respective date and time. The thank you page will be shown to them, and what the automation is going to do. Just the basic setup I'm showing. Like, of course, similarly, all the free teeth whitening, the $1,000 off offer off, everything is available. Let's say this one basic appointment book happens, then this is the workflow that is going to be initiated: dentist appointment confirmation and reminders. So what happens in this workflow, as you can see, like you can even click on workflow AI and click describe workflow. It is going to show you, I mean, it is going to describe the way, like what this means. So what is the trigger? That the moment the appointment is booked from the same calendar I just showed you, right, from the appointment website, then first of all, remove from all the other workflow, then the internal notification will be sent to the respective dentist team or the client that you will have this set up for, that new DR appointment is booked. Congratulations, your this lead contact name will be the dynamic name who has filled the appointment form, right? Just book an appointment for this time and this date, right? Super amazing. The next thing that you know is an opportunity is created, and within the opportunity, uh, as you can see, appointment set is the pipeline. So within the dashboard, the appointment set number will be incremented to 1, and a confirmation SMS will be even sent to the respective person who just booked the appointment. I just save the time for you and I'll see you then, right? If anything changes, just let me know. Now, just right before the appointment, like 2 days before, because a lot of people happen to forget, right? All these digital appointments and stuff. Wait for 2 days before the appointment. One more reminder will be sent to the person, right? That, hey, you have within 2 days, 24 hours before, one more reminder will be sent, and then 1 hour before, one more reminder will be sent, that just in case you need, this is our address. Super amazing, right? So this is just a basic, and just imagine people coming in, booking appointment, and this entire this standard procedure will automatically keep on following over and over. Now, before I further show you the individual other stuff, let me just quickly tell you how do you get this snapshot. All you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and at this website you have 3 options. Either you sign up for the 30-day free trial using our referral link, the button is there available, and if you have already signed up, you upgrade to the $297 per month plan, or you upgrade to the $497 plan. All 3 buttons are available onto the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshot if you'll go there. And this is not just the only snapshot that you're going to get. You're going to get 127 snapshot plus snapshot. The moment that you do that, all you have to do is just email us back at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Even if you don't, like, we are going to send you. But this is not enough. We are going to provide you one-to-one personal WhatsApp support. Like, I will be personally adding you into a WhatsApp group. Like, it's personal group, right? Me, you, and one more Gohighlevel expert. 3 people will be there. So it is a personal onboarding and personal setup that we are going to do it for you, and people just love it, right? Because of course, at the WhatsApp, just at a at your disposal, just few clicks of a button, like, you will have access to us, and we are going to do the entire setup for you. Now, having said that, if let's say you have already signed up, you don't intend to upgrade, then for getting this 127 snapshot, I have devised this new way where you just have to enter our code at this place. Anybody can do this one. This one is the easiest one. Just click on the switch on to the agency view, and just click on the settings, and just click onto the AI employee, click on manage offer, and there you go. Here within the FP reference, you just have to put AI bonuses, AIBONUSES, and click on apply referral code. The moment that you do that, you will be, just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, and we are going to ensure that we deliver you the entire bonus set. This is super amazing, right? Because of course you would not be charged at all if you do this, because this is only in the future when you use AI employee, only then we get benefit. Otherwise, like, we don't. We just want to get into the leaderboard as of now. So this is the thing. Let us just move on to the more parts of the dentist snapshot. More workflows in the funnels I'm going to show you, but before that, just watch a quick promotional video depicting what all do you get, and yeah, the process. It is going to be helpful. Just watch the quick video.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with a Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answered. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free. the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence, so the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Now you have watched the video. Let us just complete the other remaining part of the snapshot. As you can see, this is the two, like this is a funnel, another funnel. So this is 6-page funnel, right? Wedding whitening opt-in, wedding whitening thank you page, kids whitening package, generic whitening opt-in page. So based on your requirement, like you can use either of the funnel. You can even place it onto the website. So this is one of the funnel. Let me just open another funnel. And this is a 3-step page. And here you see the opt-in page and a booking page, right? So this is another amazing page. Now let's say you're running a promotion like $1,000 off, or let's say you're trying to provide an offer for the kids. So this is a kids dentistry funnel. So all possible funnels are available for your dentist promotion, right? For your dentist client. And even the automation is followed up. The automation that I showed you was just the basic one. All sorts of automation and nurturing is available. For example, let's say, as you can see, if this one is going on, right, nurturing the free teeth whitening, right, this is one of the offer that was long. Now you want to nurture the lead so that like they happen to be like consistently you send them some of the messages. So this one, as you can see, again, like create opportunity, weekday send some message, like weekend just like there is some wait until this time and then send the message, and then next day follow up, another next day follow up. And the best way to read these funnel, just click on workflow AI and click on describe. It is going to describe you what is going to happen. And all these things are going to be, it is pre-done for you, and you will just have to like just look a little bit here and there and tweak here and there, and your entire snapshot will be ready for your client to use for the dentist one. Again, as I said, guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. All you have to do is just go to the abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan, or as a last option, that you want to get the entire 127 snapshot, the least you can do, just go to agency setting, click on AI employee, click on manage offer, and then just enter a referral code within FP reference is equal to AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply. That's it. Just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We are going to ensure that you get the entire bonus set. And thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video. I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.